morning light, golden rays dissolve the night. Barefoot on the sacred ground, in the silence truth is found. I and I, we rise as one, children of the rising sun. Roots deep in the ancient soil, far away from the daily toil. Zion sunrise, heal the soul, make the broken pieces whole. Spirit meditation flow like a river, blessings that the great one deliver. Zion sunrise, Zion sunrise, Zion sunrise, Zion sunrise. Whisper, trees they sway, guiding us through the narrow way. No more chains upon the mind, only love is what we find. Close your eyes and drift away to the light of a brighter day. Internal peace, a holy fire, lifting us higher and higher and higher. Zion sunrise, heal the soul, make the broken pieces whole. Spirit meditation flow like a river, blessings that the great one deliver. Zion sunrise, meditation, Zion sunrise. Stars above, meditation. like the bamboo in the evening breeze, strong in the roots, moving with ease. The forest has secrets it wants to share. Listen to the vibration in the silent air. No need to be rigid, no need to be hard. The spirit of Zion is your eternal God, hollow and open like a flute in the wind, where the song of the universe can finally begin. Bamboo whisper, soft and deep, secrets that the ancient forest keep. Vibrate the soul, calm the mind in the green silence. What do you find? For the sky, watching the clouds and the birds fly by. Every note is a lesson, every leaf is a prayer, balanced and peaceful beyond every care. Rooted in the earth, reaching for the light, shining through the echoes in the middle of the night. The storm may come, the wind may howl, but the bamboo spirit has a peaceful soul. Bamboo whisper, soft and deep, secrets that the ancient forests keep. Vibrate the soul, calm the mind in the green silence. What do you find? Bending with the wind, standing in the peace. Bamboo heart, bamboo heart. truth was etched in stones beneath the open sky. I hear the elders calling from the dusty road. sharing the heavy load. Words of silver, thoughts of pure gold. Stories of the ages, never growing old. Plant the seed of knowledge, water it with grace. Find your true reflection in the ancient faith. Wisdom of the elders shining like a star, reminding I and I exactly who we are. Rooted in the spirit, grounded in the truth. Legacy of ages, from the elder to the youth. They speak of the flame that burns within every soul, beyond every name. No need for the vanity, no need for the pride, just the quiet power that lives deep inside. Walk the path of justice, talk the talk of peace, until the mental slavery finds a full release. The elders are watching, the elders still know the seeds that we plant are the fruits that will grow. Wisdom of the elders shining like a star, that never sets within, where the ending of the fear begins. A golden spark in the center of the soul, making every broken vision whole. Travel deep beyond the wall of sound, where the secret of the self is found. In a light journey, shine so bright, guiding the traveler through the night. No more darkness, no more veil. On this ocean we eternally sail. We eternally sail. Behind. In a light journey, shine so bright, guiding the traveler through the night. No more darkness, no more veil. On this ocean we eternally sail. We eternally sail. Watch them float and watch them pass you by. You are the watcher, silent and still, aligned with the power of the higher will. It's a radiant path, a crystalline road, lifting the weight of the heavy load. Illuminate the corners of the mind, leave the shadows of the past behind. In a light journey, shine so bright, guiding the traveler through the night. No more darkness, no more veil. On this ocean we eternally sail. We eternally sail. from your eyes, underneath the vast and the purple skies. A river of light, a stream of the soul. Let the heavy current take full control. It's a liquid prayer, it's a cool embrace, moving with the slow and the steady grace. Leave the desert of the mind behind. In the deep blue silence, what do you find? Healing river, flow through the heart, where the ending meets the brand new start. Drown the noise, let the peace remain. Wash away the shadow, wash away the pain. Wash away the pain. Every drop is a memory, every wave a song. This is where the weary spirits all belong. No banks to hold us, no walls to see, just the endless motion of the galaxy. Deep sea meditation, spirit in the blue. Everything is old, everything is new. Sink into the rhythm, melt into the sound, where the lost identity is finally found. Healing river, flow through the heart, where the ending meets the brand new start. Drown the noise, let the peace remain. Wash away the shadow, wash away the pain. The river never ends, it only changes form. From the rain to the sea. Ooh, yeah. Before the first breath, before the first breath. cosmic vibration, a spiritual drum, calling the children, and the children they come. It's the song of the atoms, the dance of the cell, breaking the limits of the physical shell. Infinite movement, a holy design. Your heart and the rhythm, they finally align. Eternal soul rhythm, never-ending flow. From the place where we come to the place where we go. Stay in the circle, stay in the light, the beat of the Zion, through the day and the night. The rhythm is you, the rhythm is I, everlasting, lasting, 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 no, 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 no. Listen to the heartbeat under the stone, a message written in the marrow and the bone. The ground is vibrating, a sacred design, connecting your spirit to the ancient line. Every grain of sand has a story to tell, a ringing resonance, a deep golden bell. We are the dust and the dust is the light, shining through the echoes in the middle of the night. Sacred earth echoes, calling from below, in the frequency of love, let your spirit grow. Bass like the thunder, heart like the sun. Everything is sacred, everything is one. Everything is one. Everything is one. silence. Mountaintop silence, heavy and deep. Above the waking world, how the brothers sleep. Closer to the sky, further from the fear. Everything is distant, everything is clear. Tired feet, where the earthly struggle and the heavens mercy meet. The stars are much closer, they whisper in my ear. The peace you were seeking has always been here. A fortress of granite, a throne made of mist. By the golden light of Zion, the summit is kissed. Stay in this moment, let the clock disappear. In the heart of the silence, Jah is always near. Mountaintop house remains above the clouds, in the stillness of the high place. Beyond the borders, beyond the skin, beyond the places where the wars begin, there is a pulse, a golden thread in every word that the Spirit said. It's in the atom, it's in the star. It knows exactly who we are. Tune your heart to the highest wave, the only power that can truly save. Universal love frequency vibrating high, connecting the earth to the endless sky. No more division, no more war. One love, one life, for one and all. That never ends, like a message that the heaven sends. Forgive the past, let the light increase in the frequency of perfect peace. A symphony of the human soul,